Yeah. Hi guys. We completed how to insert the record and how to retrieve the records functionality. And I'm giving you the task to implement edit and delete functionality of the records. That is one thing. And next requirement is same kind of web application. I want you people to implement a page where we can add the employees based on skill and experience and department. Okay, now so here I'm giving the name, that is emp name, and here emp email. Okay, emp gender I want as a radio button, and employee location, and employee department is belongs to which department, development or testing or database or DevOps or cloud department. Employee employee department and employee experience. Okay, number of years of experience 1 to 20 drop down will be available. You need to select that number of years of experience. Okay, now name, email, gender is a radio button, department is a drop down, experience is also a drop down. Here this is male and female. Now drop down I want you to add it. Department select. Experience select. Submit. Okay, this is the page which is used to save the new employee in our database. Here same hyperlink, view employees. One hyperlink will be available to display view employees. Now in the department drop down you need to give some values. Okay, then employee experience, select 1 to 20 numbers I want you to display in the drop down options. Department, development, testing, database, DevOps, cloud, like 5-6 departments you can give in the drop down. Now here I want one page to display the data. How we displayed as of now? So similarly I want to display the data, serial number 1 2 3 4 something like this, and name of the employee and department of the employee and gender of the employee I want you to display. Experience also if you want you can display. Experience also you can display in the table. But the thing is, in order to display this data, I want to have a filter. Okay, now here I will give you a filter department. Now here in the drop down all the departments should be displayed. Okay, you need to select the department. I want to see the employees belongs to development department. I want to see the employees belongs to development department. Department wise, gender wise, department wise, gender wise. I will be selecting. This is gender also. Here you can give the option as a drop down. Male and female option should be available in the gender. I need to select one gender option here. Select gender, and I will be selecting years of experience. That also a drop down. I want you to display the drop down. To select the experience numbers 1 to 10 or 1 to 10 or 1 to 20, some numbers I want to display. And here I want to give you search button. Now search button should be available. So this is our criteria which is used to search the employees. Earlier, now today we implemented search retrieval all the records. Now I want to retrieve the records based on the given condition. If I select department, only that department data should be displayed. I can select department, or I can select gender, I can select experience, and I can click on search button. Okay. If I click on search without selecting anything, all records should come. If I click on search button without selecting anything, all records should come. If I select a department as a development, click on search, only development department employees should come. If I select a department as a development, gender as male, only development male employee records should come. If I select as a female, only female employees should come. If I select department gender plus experience, that equal experience candidate records should come. That means I can select any one record. I can select any one filter. I can select any two filters. I can select any three filters. I can click on search. Without selecting anything also, I can search. If I click on search without selecting anything, you need to display all the records. Structure will come, just search will come. When you click on search, then only data should come. Will not be there. Understand my requirement? So what is the requirement? Insert operation, retrieval operation with some condition. If you go to Flipkart, you can select mobiles based on the brand, mobiles based on the battery capacity, SIM type, dual SIM or single SIM, RAM size, price, like that you can filter the mobiles, right? Similarly, I want to filter my employees here. There are multiple approaches are there. Will work. Will work. In the JDBC, I explained the same program. Retrieving all the records, retrieving a single record, right? Now you need to develop this with the web application. Understand my requirement. So now you need to develop one welcome page where record insertion logic will be available. When I click on submit, the data will be inserted to database table. When I click on this hyperlink, view employees, it will go to the next page. In the next page, conditions are available to filter the data. Department, gender, experience, drop downs. All three are drop downs only. If I click on search without selecting any drop down, all the records should come. If I select any drop down, click on search, that selected criteria based records should come to display. Okay, guys. So try to do it before coming to Monday session. Monday, I will explain this. I'm giving you 1 day time. You think, analyze, try to do it. So whatever the project we have done today, exactly same, extra filter conditions are available. Okay, na? Fine, guys. Good. Thank you. With this, I'm stopping for today. We'll meet in the Monday session. Thank you, guys. Here nothing, just retrieval, filter retrieval. That's it. First project, edit and delete functionality. Second project, filtering the data. No, I will explain soft delete in the class. Yes, I will explain that in the class. And I will explain that in the class. Leave it. Is that fine, guys? Anybody having questions on the requirement? Now go and sit in the lab. I will be available here only. Do your analysis. Do your analysis and show me your analysis. Go to the lab and do that. I want you to take pen and paper, identify the classes, methods that we need for this project. Yeah. Take the screenshot. Take a screenshot and do the analysis now itself. Yeah, online students. Sorry, I forgot to share the screen. This is the requirement. Share. This is the requirement. Take a screenshot. Someone post in the group. Iqbal, group में post करो. Huh? Do it. That is your analysis. I want to see. Understand the requirement. Yeah, I want everybody to the analysis. Take a pen and paper. How many classes? What methods we need to write? I have given you skeleton right yesterday. How I analyzed it. Same way. Table. Okay. Connection factory. DTO classes. DAO class. Servlets. How many JSPs? I want you to do the rough analysis for this project. You have to try implementation of this. Okay, guys. Please do that. Thank you. We'll see you on Monday. Now go to the lab. I will come to the lab now. Online people, please do analysis on this project. This is the requirement. You need to develop a screen to insert the employee. Whenever we click on the view employee, it should go to the next screen. There we need to have department, gender, experience, and search button. When I click on department and search, that department based employee should come. If I select two filters and search, department wise, gender wise data should come. So you need to implement search functionality based on this screen. I can select department and I can search. I can select only gender, I can search. I can select experience and I can search. I can select any two, I can select any three, and I can click on search. Basically, you need to insert the data and you need to retrieve the data with the condition. Without selecting anything, if I click on search, all the records you need to display. Got it? Online students, did you understand the requirement? Online students, did you understand the requirement? Yeah, please do the analysis. We will discuss this project in the Monday's class. Yeah, please do it, analysis, and start the coding part. Thank you, guys.